Ever wondered how to transform your rocky landscape into a gardening wonder? The secret lies in choosing the right plants. It's time to anticipate as we unveil 5 plants that not only survive but thrive in rocky landscapes. Let's dive into the top 5 plants that thrive in rocky landscapes. Number 1 on our list is the resilient sedum. This hardy plant is a perfect fit for rocky landscapes. It's a succulent, meaning it can store water in its leaves and stems, allowing it to survive even in the harshest conditions. Sedum comes in a variety of shapes and sizes, from low-growing ground covers to taller varieties. They're quite a sight with their fleshy, colorful leaves and star-shaped flowers. Just give it full sun and well-draining soil, and it's good to go. Coming in at number 2 is the creeping thyme. This evergreen plant with tiny, fragrant leaves and purple flowers thrives naturally in rocky terrain. It's a fantastic choice if you want to add a splash of color and a lovely aroma to your rocky landscape. Third on our list is the rockspray cotoneaster. This low-lying shrub is known for its arching branches covered with small, shiny leaves. In late spring, you'll see tiny pink flowers, which turn into bright red berries by fall. It's a great way to add texture and year-round interest to your rocky garden. Next up is the blue rug juniper. This creeping juniper variety is a real ground hugger, not growing more than 6 inches tall. It's perfect for covering ground with a carpet of silver blue foliage. And number 5, the vibrant and hardy purple rock cress. This low-growing perennial explodes with deep purple flowers in the spring, creating a spectacular show in any rocky landscape. It's a showstopper for sure. Transforming a rocky landscape into a vibrant garden is no longer a challenge with these plants. Remember, these 5 resilient and beautiful species can turn any rocky terrain into a blooming wonder. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.